Hey, it's Nicole, and today I have some simple freehand ornament nail art to show you. So it's just pretty easy. I did a white under the ornament and then just some leaf gel and then this raspberry color. So I started off with the raspberry color, which is Gelixir Plum Cocktail, so shade 044, and then this leaf gel from Vitro, and then Madame Glam's Perfect White. So I started off with the raspberry color. I did that on my pinky, my pointer finger, my thumb. I did leaf gel on my ring finger, and then the white on my middle finger. So this is the third coat of color. Just want to make sure everything's nice and smooth and opaque, and I cleaned it polished as I went. So it's nice and pretty with nice edges. And then once that was cured, I took some more leaf gel just to apply a little ornament shape on my middle finger. So just kind of work with it until you get a nice circular shape. Leaf gel can be kind of hard to play with and to get pretty lines, but just kind of work with it for a minute and you'll get it. And then I pulled some of that leaf gel onto my pointer finger too to get a nice little ombre. Then I took black mission control to do a little string and then a bow on the ornament. So I'm just using the Winstonia Berry Wine brushes to do this. And then I outlined the ornament. You can flash cure in the middle of this if you want to make sure everything else stay put. And then once that was outlined, I just cured that for a full 30 seconds, and then taking the Tammy Taylor's Flawless Finish, which I applied to all of my nails just to kind of coat everything and give everything a nice even shine. So pretty simple, easy Christmas holiday nail art look. It just takes a little bit of freehanding, but the rest was pretty quick. Once that top coat was all applied, like I said, I cured it for 45 seconds because that's what this top coat says to do. And then I removed that tacky layer. And that's the final nail art look. Thanks so much for watching. I will leave descriptions of the products I use in the links down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys!